Hello, today I shall show you how to fix Ethernet driver problems in Windows 11. Step 1, flush DNS and reset Winsock. Open the search bar and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt, choose Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. In the black command window, enter the following command. You will see successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Next, enter this command. You will see successfully reset the Winsock catalog. Restart your computer to apply the changes. Step 2, reset network settings optional. Open the search bar again and type network reset. Click on the network reset option. A new window will appear. Click Reset Now. Confirm. Yes. Restart your computer to apply the changes. Hopefully, your Ethernet connection is now working properly. Thank you for watching.